Holy fuck, guys. Holy bomber car catch a fire.
Oh my god, that was hot.
You felt
that.
You felt that through the car, guys. Should we pull over and talk with everyone?
No.
I don't know what you're saying, but it's like a vibe, you see me?
Yes, get it.
Lord. Wagwaan squad. Yeah, deal it. So today we're on a nice weekend adventure for you. Big up Ronaldo. On a nice weekend adventure for you. We got hooked up to the Great Woody. We're going to go stay at Moon Palace. So yeah, let's go. We're gonna try a little transition thing for you guys, you see me? Oh, I was gonna do the snap, but I can't snap with that hand.
A few moments later.
Holy fuck, guys. Holy bomber car catch a fire.
Oh my god, that was hot.
You felt
that.
You felt that through the car, guys. Should we pull over and talk with everyone?
No, we shouldn't.
See, I'm a fucking Jamaican and this Canadian here.
I'm not.
Yeah.
No, did you feel that? That was hot.
Yeah, I felt, and it's not just me she's talking about, guys. That was crazy. What do you think?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Can't even see her face, guys. This is Capri, the one and only. Jesus, that was crazy. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? You see me? Wagwaan squad. So I reached Moon Palace. We're there. Could you hold this, please? We're about to enter the room, and this is pretty cool. You use this. What the? Put it on the wrong hand, guys. What the hell? Alright, that was more difficult. Alright, hold on. First impressions. Damn, this is nice. Holy shit. Whoa, yo. Lord Claw. What's your name? Ross. Who's that sexy guy? That's me. Yo, this is nice. Ooh. Spring loaded. Lord Claw. What's your name? Bombo. Oh, don't hit your head, James. Yo, guys. Yo, comment down below if you rate this. If we get to 50,000 this year. Nah, let's make it reasonable. If we get the channel to 15,000 subs by June, I'll do a giveaway to a room here. Probably not this room though, because it's fucking look expensive. You know this is my favorite thing, guys. You know I've been taking hella shits. Woo! Yeah man, watch that. Nice. Nice. That thing nice, man. Yo! Alright, I don't mean to be gross, but how do you think those jets feel on my balls?
No, that's gross.
What? What?
That's gross.
Well, you know what? When I'm taking a bath in here, bubbling up my little ball stew, I'll close that.
Oh, ball stew, that sounds so gross.
What? Yes, we have a balcony, or you have a balcony, but it's night time. So, yeah. Let me just, what the hell? How does this work? Is this a slide? Oh, that's weird. All right, so we'll look at it in the morning and I'll show you guys the view and thing. Yeah, the night time. God damn, get out my way, son. Guys, it's nice to go skyline, beaches there and thing. It's what I'm saying, a foreign. It's finna be a good time.
Did I say that?
Finna be good. What is it? Is it? Yeah, it's finna, not ginna, right? Finna.
No, I don't think it's gonna. Pick up your mask, James.
Get it? Really just walk past and couldn't just do it for me while I'm working? Yo. Mini fridge oh boy. A little Sensky?
What does sense mean?
What do you think, Caps? Caps, what do you think? A little Sensky?
No, I have to go have dinner.
Cap, what's a little Sensky?
No,
alright guys, she approved. We're doing a send. We're doing a send. What? You said you approve?
I said I didn't approve.
Alright, we're doing a send, guys. We might have to send two since Capper is being a loser. What's that face? Who's that pretty lady? Me. you have such nice pores. I can even see on the camera, they're awesome. They're so small. Wow. You showing them your pores?
No, I'm waiting for you to put a beer back in the fridge.
Alright, I'll put one back. Yes, comment down below. What's your problem, Grandma? Alright guys, we're gonna just go, you know, little does she know my first thought when we came here is that I should chug that bottle of wine. So what would you prefer?
Are you being serious?
For the vlog? For sure. We're at an all-inclusive hotel. What do you expect? I thought that was the plan. We're gonna eat and drink all weekend. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Why can you do it and I
don't put it back. I don't put it
back.
What do you mean?
No.
Do it again.
No.
Do it again.
No.
Come, bring out a little fun. You're about to be. Come.
Ow.
Do it again. Do it again.
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah. All right.
James knows that I'm very socially awkward at those things.
Guys, but let me ask you. Is there a light out here? There is, Capri. We
Looking for it.
need to find the light switch, Capri. I'm going to just talk to you like that the whole weekend, Capri. That's not it. Just turn on every switch you can find. Who's that lady? Alright guys, I had a long day, so we're not gonna send too tough, but
Is that the excuse you're using?
yo, Richie's right.
I feel like Richard is right about everything drinking included.
Nah, he's a novice. He just a start.
Not go in the bathtub, James.
No.
Yes, don't mess up
What do you
the
mean? I
room.
didn't. The mess is when you bust it and it sprays.
I know, so I'm saying we're gonna go in the bathroom.
That was bust already. It didn't spray. That's why I held it. Richie taught me, guys, when you're gonna shotgun, 45-degree angle, press down. It
Okay,
doesn't
come in the
spray.
bathroom. I don't want you to make a mess. Take your shoes off and stand. Get in the fucking tub.
Aye.
James, I can't. Let me see too. Toplodge. Do you guys think we should extract this with a knife and fork for the next video?
A knife and fork.
Yeah, like use
What,
a
you're going to eat it?
no, like use a fork and just like plow it under. Plow.
Try to keep that. Jesus Christ.
Okay, go James. Why are you recording it on your phone?
To send to Chaffee.
Who is Chaffee?
Chaffee, sorry.
Who is Chaffee?
From milk.
He's in the bathtub.
Sugar in my coffee, sugar in my tea. Baby, put some sugar on those nipples and bring them come to me. Yeah. So what is called? Can I get you on in a video? You're up on YouTube, you know. Yeah, man. You would have loved the channel.
Alright,
so this is Crystal.
Yep.
She make Moon Palace the way it is.
Yeah, alright.
So what is now?
Yeah, this is a California roll.
Okay, California roll. Okay.
So we have the ginger and the wasabi. And this is a poke bowl.
Mhm.
Some cucumber and some cream cheese.
Okay, thank you very much. And then this is my last meal for the day, guys.
Alright.
Alright guys, I'm going to try their California roll. Oh, I have them the wrong way. Oops. I'm going to dip a little soy sauce. I think if I feel a little full after this, I'll try the wasabi for you guys. What do you think, babe? Really, girl? Alright guys, so this actually very nice.
Save one for me.
Papa said save one for her, but I don't know if I'm gonna. So guys, right now we're here at the Nutella bar. Capri's.
Nutella bar.
What you call them? What you call them?
Boulangerie.
The what?
The boulangerie.
The Bolongari. The Bolongari. That's that name.
Yes.
Yeah. Comment down below what you think it, you know? Hello. So Capri ordered 2 Nutella and what?
Banana crepe.
Yeah, Crepe. Are you happy to be here with me?
Yes.
You said no so quickly, Jesus Christ.
I said yes.
We never heard it. What you said?
I said yes.
Oh, okay. So Taji, I make the crepe them. So you're the crepe master?
Yeah, man, I'm a crepe master. I teach everybody. I'm a teacher.
So why run away?
Limatel, I'm a crepe master.
But Crystal,
I teach me. See, first day I come here.
you can make them too?
Yeah. He said to me, say, go on it. So I said, oh, you make them here. He said, well, you have to go try it today. And I said, roll.
I am teach you?
Yeah, I'm teaching.
Okay. So when nobody's around, we can come back there and learn too?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Guys, sorry. You know we love the fuckery, but we're not get nobody in trouble this weekend. Maybe next weekend. Okay. And thank you, Crystal, for the crepe them. Baby, I grab mine too?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Big up, Crystal. Tajay, big up, you know. Manas.
You want to go see Woody and then? Sure, if you want.
No. I told him we're eat and then come. Woody, we're eating crepes. C-R-E-P-E-S. That's French for crepes. We're gonna eat now and then we'll go and check you guys. Big up. Alright guys, so we got an invite and we are going to the fucking villa, the Penthouse. Check this out. What the fuck? Mate! I don't know if I should be more amazed that my girlfriend's already in here or that this place is so fucking nice. Wow. Guys, you would not believe this. Oh my god. Alright guys, I think what I'm going to do is do some again boil a soup later. That's a jump in and boil up, you know? You? Hold on, it's upside down. Wait, Capri is upside down. Yo!
Bienvenido a su casa, en mi casa. Hermaso.
What is that?
Hermaso.
No, the whole thing.
No.
The whole leaf.
I know.
So, yo dog! Guys, now I understand why they keep telling me we need to hang out here for the weekend, but all inclusive. I'm gonna eat and drink all I can. They're not stopping me. I'm living a blessed life. DJ Khaled, you know, it's key.
The next day.
Wagwaan squad. So we're there, going up to check Woody and the crew. It's not a beautiful day today, so just gonna relax, chillax. Yeah, yeah, the place is nice. It's crazy. So I used to come here a lot as a kid with my brethren. Yeah, I used to come a lot as a brethren to Jamaica Grand. Anyone who remembers that great hotel, comment down below. Jamaica Grand. Oh yeah, so we're just gonna go link up now. These rooms are insane, guys. I want, oh, it's right there. Can't wait to show you guys. Are you ready? I am from Germany. Blood clot. Yo, I come for rob you. Oh. Hey guys. Oh, go on, Scott. Yo, this. Guys, this is our room. Oh, go on, Scott. I did it. You guys had a good night? I enjoyed.
You're very late. You're very late. Very late to the party.
I enjoyed fiction. It was awesome. I spent half time messaging Capri. Just come.
I've never been to fiction before. Fun fact.
Yeah, you were born after it closed.
Oh, really?
She was born after it closed, man.
I actually wasn't. I didn't think.
It just closed out of there.
Oh.
Guys, we're here. We're in the palace, the Moon Palace, as you've seen. This is where the name comes from. So,
Say hi, Woody.
We start off day right and get a little scent going. That was right to my eye.
I need to stab yourself with a fork.
Alright, so we make the whole big up. So guys, I'm left-handed, but also right-handed, so I do shit weird. So he's always gonna spin it around and mix it up. Check out the view. Check out the view. A little send for the boys.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go, baby! Guys, so welcome to my hotel. This is Jamaica Grand. I run this bitch. So that's where I soak my balls at night.
Sack soup.
Sack soup. No. This line looks big. Bring us VIP this shit.
I don't think you meet the height requirement.
I don't think you meet the funny requirement. I just farted.
Signing his life away.
Come to work. Wagwaan guys, there we're with Kay, Olivia Kay.
Yeah.
Yo, she just played a unreleased track for us. It was fucking sick. It had like 10 languages. I can't speak any of them, so I just made up the lyrics in my head. I was like,
Sure did.
oh yeah, Bombacita,
Yeah.
Senorita.
It was.
I don't know what it's saying, but it's like a vibe, you see me?
Yes, get it.
Lord.
It was very close.
Yeah.
It was almost exactly what I said.
Almost.
Such a joker.
And so Capri speaks French, but she refuses to do it when I'm around, so
Great.
yeah, it's fucked up. Real fucked up.
Ah.
Alright guys, so who's doing the toast this time?
Okay, I think you have to. You always do.
Alright. Sugar in my coffee, sugar in my tea. Put some sugar on those nipples and bring them to me.
How did you have to pick that one?
Oh, this was good.
That's solid.
This was good.
Solid. Oh, you okay? Oh, not for you.
Adios.
You're okay. It's gonna be okay. Just take it one at a time. You don't overthink it.
What are you doing?
All right, I'll play you one that, cause I produce, I'm making stuff, but I also have a band.
Wow. Wowie, guys. This is beautiful.
Thank you. There's so much coffee in my cup right now.
She's a poser. Oh, Ross, all the moon's still out. You can see it, guys? No, you can't see it, but the moon is out. Okay, watch on it. Just get a couple shots of this back and forth.
I did that yesterday with the sun.
Wagwaan squad. Had a great weekend. Went on this morning time, so time to head in for work. So around 5:30. Kept staying and go with the friends. Gonna get going. Just check in the car. Go on a little street lamp. Alright guys. One last and goodbye. Road again. Wagwaan squad. Thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.